Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy Minecraft using GCash on Android and iOS. Just say process. So as you can see, I'm on the Minecraft official website, and once I click on the payment method, it will always show the PayPal. So there is no GCash option. So to be able to do that, you just have to visit the Code Shop Philippines if you are in the Philippines, and then just choose a product, and from the bottom you will see the payment method, and then you just have to select GCash. Now after that, you just have to enter your email, so this is where the purchase or the gift code will be sent. And then after that, just just check on this checkbox at the bottom. And then that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.